Last episode, a bunch of things happened. The Peace Treaty Festival, and the rebouncing back of the front. So in this episode, we're gonna see the post-war things that are gonna happen. The world during the Great Mesopotamian War started adopting iron, and one of the countries that adopted iron first is the Yellow Team and the Brown Team. Both countries dispute their land over in Western Anatolia. So what they're gonna do is fight a war. As you can see, we see mountain troops moving down south. But this terrifies the Dalmatians to try to move in, but completely fail. The puppet of Epirus surrenders immediately and declares independence and stays neutral, while the Greeks are able to move into Albania. The entire war is about securing the Greeks and the rebouncing back from the former war. With the Dalmatians now defeated, they easily moved their troops east and capture a lot of land. This results in a peace treaty over here. As by this point, peace treaties arise as basically wars no longer as peace treaties become the norm after the war of the great powers, or the Middle Eastern War. We saw the rebounding back of Greece after it was mainly unified, but not anything else major. With Greece on the way to rebuilding its economy, they quickly annex the Dalmatian territories and are able to rebound from their coalition in I think 7 episode 8-11. Dalmatians on the verge of collapse, a coalition forms against them. Firstly, Roman troops move into Dalmatia. This allows for the Hungarian nation to move in and starts moving into Bosnia. But Bosnia is very mountainous, so they move into Croatia instead. The Romans start picking naval fights with the still really strong naval power of the Dalmatians, but are eventually able to move in, capturing Carthage. And this is not Dalmatia. And Dalmatia completely falls. There is no more Dalmatia. With no more, so the Dalmatian team is dead. It's dead. The Romans take over the south of Dalmatia, and the Hungarians take the north. After this, we see a lot of things happen. Firstly, I think what's this called? Oh yeah, this is the Hungarian country. It expands quickly and rapidly. The same with the Ukraine, which moves into Poland. Has become a new player in the East. While the Baltic countries moving down south. The white means it's just people live there. That's how it means. White just means people live there. The Sicilians with their North African Empire expand into Spain, discovering it's a very silver. With constant silver usage, they quickly move into modern-day Portugal and secure the south of Spain. They expand their hold over Catalonia. The local chieftains and local people just do things. With the area being basically autonomous. After the population boom, due to the mass income of silver, which makes the Mediterranean a new home for civilization as the East is ruined, the East and West both allied themselves for the chaos in the Middle East. Ukrainians also found new cities down south. Same with the Balts. After this, in India, we see some colonization by this very small Kashmir country. Kashmir quickly moves in and captures land. Kashmirian troops will stop on this area, which is now defended by the tribes, but not for long, as the Bengali Empire moves in. Now, and Bengal also moves into southern India, which is mainly just trade posts for advantageous areas. So this makes the area pretty important. And the massive amounts of refugees that move, and the more Oh, by the way, the blue team changes its capital to somewhere around here. And this ends up in the recovery period as the blue team starts moving east from its homeland. While in China, the massive population booms and leads to basically what happened in real history, not real history, but according to myth, someone fixed the problem in these rivers and then they became imperial. So that's gonna happen here. Then that's gonna lead to the creation of the Chinese country, somewhere in the southern river. The southern river becomes a new hotspot for this new population boom in China. So the world's population is starting not just to recover, but to massively expand. As the Chinese quickly start expanding into these lakes, they become one of the largest countries. Their quick expansionism really helps them as the population boom creates basically circuits in real China. So this is basically just real China by this point, just a little bit more mythical version of it. So we have this new Chinese country that develops here, and we see some development in northernish Korea. The country here is North Korea, developing along the coasts, mainly for trade with the Chinese. And some Yellow Bay areas get colonized as well. So this mercantilist Korea. Why did I say mercantilist? I don't know. Many new cities start popping up. But one of them has to be capital, and it's this Bay Area. So with the formation of a new Chinese countries, this will start the first version of somewhat the Silk Road. This will turn prospering India and devastate the Middle East and a prospering Europe. So the Middle East is falling behind and everybody else is developing. A new age for humanity.